everybody. So this is very important. I am so glad and so happy to be launching the hair care range on Isle of Skin. We already have our neem comb on the Isle of Skin, and I'm sure that many of you are already using it. Based on this comment from a post yesterday, I truly want to thank them as well for having used the neem comb. I'm so glad it's helped them with their postpartum hair loss. So what we are going to be launching today are these two fantastic products from Dr. Curacle, and this is the Scalp DX shampoo and the Scalp DX thickening tonic. So I after a lot of this has been around for a while, but we wanted to test it and try it and make sure that it truly does exactly what it does. So if you have oily scalp, if you have also a dry scalp, and if it feels like your the scalp is slightly scaly, if you also have dandruff, this is a great product. One of the things that the Scalp DX range from Dr. Curacle does, the most important thing is that this is clinically tested, and it has gone through clinical trials, and they back the claims that they are talking about. So one of the most important things is that this contains biotin. It's a great product for your hair. It also contains salicylic acid. So one of the first things about this Scalp DX scaling shampoo is that it also contains menthol, it contains biotin, it contains salicylic acid. So what you can actually do is that this is a shampoo and hair mask and conditioner in one. So what happens is that as soon as you wash your hair with this, because a lot of us have a tendency to oil our hair. I have a tendency to oil my hair at least once or twice a week, especially on days that I feel that my hair is not feeling healthy enough. I tend to oil my hair and then wash it off. I have used my DIY shampoo, which is there on my channel. Sometimes, after that, I have also tried many other products which is good on my hair, some stuff that I have liked, some I have not liked. All of this you would actually find on my channel. Now this also this shampoo also interestingly contains niacinamide, zinc, something called folicusan, DP, and biotin. Now the thing about a shampoo having zinc is that it will help your scalp, especially if it has dandruff. It has niacinamide. One of the first things for all of us to understand is that your scalp, basically the skin here is also skin, right? So you need to make sure that the skin on your scalp is also healthy, which is why a lot of us also use acids on our scalp. This is something that I think probably a couple of years ago one of the K-beauty bloggers actually wrote about it. I'm going to be leaving that link on my page so that you can read who actually started all of this, right? So to give due credit, let's start from there. And the concept of scaling, using acids on your scalp and using using acids for your body odor and body care as well, started from there. So for example, you can actually use the Dr. Curacle Blue one on your scalp as well. You can actually take quite a bit on your cotton round. Make sure that you just separate part your hair and just keep rubbing it as you go throughout your scalp, and after about say 15-20 minutes or even half an hour, you can use this shampoo. But first off, the most important thing that all of us need to do before we actually go in and shampoo our hair is to comb our hair gently and lovingly. Let us not pull and tug in, just keep pushing our hair whichever way we want. Most importantly, before shampooing your hair, make sure you comb out your hair so that all the unnecessary tangles are taken away, so that when you wash, when you apply any mask, it rinses clean. Also, it doesn't tangle a lot more in the shower. Most importantly, when your hair is wet, it is at its weakest. So it is important that you don't pull and tug and be rough with handling your hair. So you can actually take 2 pumps of this if you're oiling your hair. Of course, mine is a little more than little, yeah, I think this is what we would call shoulder length hair, right? So I would actually take a couple of pumps when I'm oiling my hair. Otherwise I just need one. So I take a pump, I will lather it, I will put it between my roots, massage it gently, and then let it stay on my scalp for 3 to 5 minutes, and then I will wash off. If you have a tendency to have, let's say for example, there's something called Dr. Curacle speaks about scalp fever. So if you basically touch your head, and if you touch your scalp, and if it feels very hot, right, and that sort of a feeling can happen especially during our Indian summers, not so much during this weather when it is raining outside and stuff like that. But otherwise, to generally bring down the heat in your scalp, these two products will actually help. So one of the things that you can do, as I said, is to take the Dr. Curacle blue one, or even the Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid on a cotton round, separate and part your hair, apply it all over your scalp, let it be for about half an hour or so, and make sure when you wash the acids off your hair, you dunk your head on your sink or something, because you don't want acids falling into your eyes, right? So first maybe just dunk your head under a tap, rinse it off thoroughly, and then you will apply this shampoo, which is something, as I said, it's a treatment, it's a mask, and it's a shampoo together, and you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you wash off. Ideally, if your hair is brittle, it's dry and dehydrated, it is better that you do not use any heat treatments for a while. So Malika is asking, is this suited for oily scalp and dry lens? Yes, it is. It helps also hydrate your lens as well. So you actually don't need a conditioner after this. The other product that I'm going to be speaking about is the Scalp DX Thickening Tonic. Now, what this is about 100 ml, and this also contains biotin, niacinamide, panthenol, and follicusan DP. So as soon as you open, you will find this massaging points, right? So the product actually dispenses through these points, and you will massage your scalp through this. So it what is CG? Here for books only. Yes, it is safe for chemically treated hair and colored hair. So now you will see an open and a close here. I'm not sure how it is showing in your camera. So once you open, you hear that? You will hear a clicking sound, and then you will just part your hair, press down, and you will find the liquid dispensing here, massage it, and then you close it, right? So you can continue to massage your hair like this, and make sure that this product goes into your roots. These points help the product go into your roots. So let's say we are doing this. You can just do that, and you can, Kira, of course, I'm so sorry, I think I blanked out a little bit. So the brand does say this is curly girl friendly, so I'm going to be asking them a few more questions on this, so I don't put you down the wrong road and give you any false promises. I will reconfirm with them on this particular question. So this is something that you can use 2-3 times a day. It does not stick to your scalp. Your hair does not stick to your scalp, and this helps. Most importantly, this gives cooling effect on your scalp for almost, say, 20 to 30 minutes after you have applied this. All right, the brand does say that you apply this 2-3 times a day. If you don't have the time, just apply it maybe once in the morning before you leave, and once after you come back, especially after you have sweated it out and stuff like that. It might be a little difficult to apply this. The other thing that I will definitely say is that after you have used this and you have, and if especially if you have sweated it out, if you have worked out and if you have come back and you don't tend to take a shower after working out, ideally please do, but if you don't have the time or if you're too tired, that can happen as well. We are all humans. So I would suggest that you do not apply this on sweaty scalp, only because of hygiene purposes, because you're going to be reusing it the next day. If you can, just get some surgical spirit or Dettol in a cotton round and then just clean this all around a little bit, just wipe it all around and just close it and reuse. This is that sinus friendly, Kirti? Yes. So the only thing, so I'm going to tell you this one. One of the reasons is that a lot of these hair products tend to affect my nose and my throat also, unless and until I'm very careful, considering, well, I'm a singer. So it does not make things worse for me. So I would suggest that maybe you know, try the shampoo out first and go ahead and see how the tonic works for you. Can we use this tonic for female pattern hair loss? So I think this more or less comes on the same family as a hair growth, hair treatment, hair to prevent hair loss, right? So perhaps this will help, but if you are already in under a treatment from a dermatologist or a doctor, I would say please take their suggestion before starting something new. And this will help treat your dandruff. And yes, people with curly hair can use this, people with colored and treated hair can use this, chemically treated hair can use this. Does this also treat dandruff? It helps control it, especially this contains, as I said, zinc, and it contains salicylic acid, so it basically heals your scalp and exfoliates your scalp. So over the course of, say, I think 2-3 months, this combination should help. If you want to start with something, clumsy hands, this is about half a liter, this is 500 ml of shampoo. So you can use this, as I said, as a mask, as a shampoo and a conditioner. Apply it, foam it onto your scalp, apply it, let it be for 3 to 5 minutes and then wash off and let air dry naturally. Or if you truly want to color treat your hair, heat treat your hair, make sure that the heat is at its lowest setting. Shubha Ramakrishnan, will it help in reducing grey hair? That's an interesting question. I started using it say about a few weeks ago. So I don't think it's time enough to say whether it will help in reducing grey hair. At least the ingredients in here are not claiming to reduce grey hair or actually reintroduce color to your hair follicles. One of the best way to make sure that your hair doesn't grey out quickly is to make sure that we manage stress, eat properly, sleep on time, and the curry leaf buttermilk does help. So if you want to delay graying, I would definitely suggest that you try the curry leaf buttermilk thing. It is something that is easily available. So please go and see if that also helps with your you know, general blood work and stuff like that. So thanks, Kirti. Chandrahas, that's a very interesting question that you're asking, and also very complicated when you say infection of the hair follicles. I think this is a question that a doctor should respond to. So yeah, Janani, yes, this will help dandruff. Acho, Abhi, I will definitely add this to Megan Snaps. So the brand says that it is okay to you know, use this throughout. That's not a problem at all. What's the starting age to use this for kids above 10 years? I would say maybe just start after 16. I think it might be a bit the other thing that I do want to also add is that considering it contains menthol, and if you are letting the shampoo wash off and if it gets into your eyes, it might be like mint got into your eyes. So you need to be a little careful, wash it off completely and then open your eyes and stuff like that. Devil cat, is this chemical free? No, it's not chemical free, and chemicals aren't stuff that you need to be scared of. Even fruits and vegetables are chemical compositions, just in case you did not know. So this does contain chemicals and they are safe to use. Cosmetic chemicals are safe. They are backed by research. They are tested in labs, and it has come to India, and it has gone through the CDSCO, which is the drug control of this country. So don't worry. Dwarka, thank you about the curry leaf buttermilk. Bhavya, so salicylic acid and lactic acid. Okay, one of the other things is that it does contain lactic acid as well. That is an AHA. So one of the things that you need to read, I'm going to be sharing that link on my page as well. Using acids on the scalp has been stuff that a lot of us have been doing for a really long while, so that it exfoliates the scalp, so that there is no build up here, there is no oil build up, there is no the hair doesn't stick to our scalp, and that way it also makes sure that your hair is healthy. Actually, it's very interesting. It does not damage my hair. I've been doing this for well over a year of using either the Cosrx BHA or the AHA alternately, say once a week or so on my scalp. If I have the time, I will basically be doing it for about half an hour, but even about 15-20 minutes of leaving it onto your scalp and then washing it off is great for your hair. And just after that, some of us have just used moisturizing hair mask or something like that after this acid treatment, so that it deep conditions our hair, and then we wash it off. We don't immediately use what shall I say, shampoo, because but then this came in, so I decided to use Dr. Curicle's blue one or the Cosrx BHA, and then use the shampoo as a mask, because one of the things that Dr. Curicle also says is that to use one of their enzyme washes onto the scalp along with this shampoo to deeply cleanse and deeply cleanse the scalp, so that it's good for you. Yes, Kirti, you can use this shampoo 2-3 times a week. Flirty curls. Interesting question. I'll have to circle back to you on that. Prithvi, this is okay. The most important thing that I do need to keep repeating again and again is every product on Isle of Skin is for everybody. It's for all genders. Yes, some products need to be used only after a certain age, but all products on Isle of Skin are for all genders. Asha, I think these two products will help you. Aishwarya, yes, it is suitable. Okay, so this is the shampoo and this is the tonic. This also contains panthenol, which is a great nourishing, moisturizing ingredient for both your skin and your scalp. Panchumarti Ramya. Yeah, you can. Lakshmi Karpanna, I think. Soumya, I think these two will help. Sandhya, soon. Okay, Div the Moi. Okay. Does the shampoo work on oiled hair? Yes, it does. As I said earlier in this live, I do use it on oiled hair. I use it on not oiled hair as well. Even then, 1 or 1.5 pumps would be enough. Gia, yes, by making sure that your scalp health is healthy. Kiran, my hair is basically thin. I don't have dense hair. My hair is thin hair. It doesn't have much density, so I've been using it for a while. So yes. Sahasra, yes, via Distacart. So as of now, the question, when is this launching? It has already launched. It is available on the Isle of Skin website. Maragadavalli, okay, yes, it is. Maragadavalli, oral collagens. Okay, so there is not much research, or rather say, there is not much data to back that oral collagens actually help replace the collagen that we are losing on our skin thanks to sun damage, because I think the size, the molecular size, if I remember right, because I remember reading this, is very very different. Yes, your skin might feel different and look different perhaps because it looks and feels moisturized and stuff, but I'm really not sure if oral collagens will help. It's not replacing the collagen that you're losing from the skin, so that is the most important part, especially oral collagens. Priya, yes, it is extremely helpful for itchy, flaky scalp. It is very helpful for those people who have these small pimples, if I can even say so, on their scalp. If you have itchiness, if you have flaking scalp, redness, overall, even if you have sensitive scalp, right? So this was something that I used to be having a while. So even if touching the scalp might hurt, right? Your scalp is sensitive and it feels a little tender to the touch, so that helps quite a bit. So this is already launched. Sharada, if you want to, you can probably slightly dilute it, but you don't have to. Aishwarya, I'm so glad curry leaf buttermilk is working for you. Priya, yes, it will work for you, especially if your hair becomes naturally oily after hair wash. So okay, so let us see what else did I miss here. Okay, so to recover from hair fall, Kiran Maikaja, I would suggest that you try out the curry leaf buttermilk recipe on my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hey, you are in South Korea. Awesome. Sandhya, yes, you can. Maragadavalli. Oh, Maragadavalli AK Maggie. Now I was thinking it was Akka Maggi, Akka Maggi. Na, I taptapa padichiruven robo. Oh, feel panna. Sorry. Maragadavalli. Okay. So glad the curry leaf buttermilk is working for you guys. Okay. For skincare for acne and oily skin, please DM. So I hope this helps. If you have any other questions on the hair care, please let me know. Neem combs. Okay, the most important thing that I also wanted to tell you is that when you start combing, where did I keep my comb? Okay, it looks like I left it somewhere. So if you start, say, combing your hair, don't start from here. Start from the bottom, then slowly work your way up, and then massage your scalp. If you actually comb your hair and your scalp like at least twice a day, it will be great for your overall scalp and hair health. Okay, it's great for you. Ramya, yes, it is. Priya, yes, he can use this shampoo. I am not going to give you promises that his male pattern baldness or something like that will be cured. I don't think I have any such claims, but this shampoo is safe to use. Meghna, so I was just saying earlier that you can use Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid or the Dr. Curacle Blue one on a cotton round. Soak it, part your hair, then apply it directly to the roots, wash it off with running water, and most importantly, please do not use scalding hot water on your scalp. That is the number one reason for hair loss, unhealthy hair, and very very tender scalp and stuff like that. When you're washing your hair, if possible, just use cold water, or considering that some of us, it will be very difficult for us to wash our hair with cold water when it's freezing outside in some cities like Hyderabad early in the morning. So I suggest that you use lukewarm water. Just use, the temperature of the water should only be as much as your body temperature. It shouldn't be hotter than that. Alright. So even if it is a little difficult, and that is also suggested for skin, to not scald and shock your skin with scalding hot water, because it will end up drying your skin very very badly, and the same goes for your scalp as well. It will damage your hair, it will hurt your scalp unnecessarily. So please do not use extremely hot water. So to circle back, you can take Dr. Curacle Blue one or the Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid on a cotton round, part your hair, apply it directly to the roots, wash it off after 20-30 minutes, and then follow up with this shampoo. It is shampoo, conditioner and a mask in one. It has a really cooling effect which lasts on your scalp for quite a while. You can leave this for 3 minutes and then wash it off. This is the other product. This is the thickening tonic. This is something that you can apply once or twice a day. The brand basically says that you can use it 2 to 3 times a day, and this helps manage and control hair loss. It cools your scalp, and it contains salicylic acid, it contains panthenol, it contains polycusane, it contains zinc, so it helps heal dandruff, it helps heal dry, flaky, itchy scalp, and it also helps the tenderness of your scalp. Another, consuming what pills? What? I don't know. Please don't consume random pills people selling OTC and all that. Don't do all of this without consulting your doctor. Please don't. Aishwarya Kota. Okay, one of the things about suggestions for split ends is that yes, Bobby.
Hi. You all want to say hi to Bobby?
Bobby, look at him. He's as big as a lion kuti. No, you're a bear kuti. Get on you, okay. So I think what you can do is first thing, trim your split ends for the first time, and then make sure that your hair remains moisturized, it remains hydrated. Use the right cleansers, use conditioners only on your scalp ends so that you don't get more split ends. So Kiran Mai, I think biotin tablets. Now, number one, I am a normal human being who does not have a medical degree. Okay, I am not going to tell you to take this tablet and that tablet, and what may be suggested to me by a doctor or a medical professional may not be the right thing for you. So please do not self-medicate and randomly take supplements just because somebody else is doing it. It may not help, and sometimes it might be really bad for you. So please don't do random stuff. Suggest some under eye cream. Okay, so for under eye, right, there are I suggest that you can use the Hyaluronic cream, or the Cosrx snail cream is also something that you can use. You can use the Kunkumaditaya. Roja, you can DM me for acne treatments.
Totapatitu, Vadi Chellam. Say hi to Patitu.
Hey, Irra. Okay, so that is more or less the long and short of our hair care launch on Isle of Skin. So, ma'am, please launch an app for Isle of Skin and at least one offline store in Hyderabad.
Sir, we are a very small business. Okay.
Right now, we have a website, and considering COVID and everything else, I don't know how long it will take for actual shops to open up. How to pay rents are very difficult. Okay, so we shall wait for that. Shivashankari. Okay. So because it controls hair loss, right? So you'll have a little more hair on your scalp instead of on your drain, around your drain. So that is probably something that will help. What is the difference between snail cream and snail mucus? Okay, the snail secretion filtrate is what is in the snail cream and in the snail essence. So you will find that in our snail products. Pragna, yes, but please patch test on your jaw. When I say patch test, I suggest that you apply it here like that and see how your skin responds. Manasa, you can use the Dr. Curacle No Sebum Sun Lotion. Jayashri, I have 4. I have the daddy, the mummy, the son and the daughter. Shamla, sure thing. So Lavanya, she's asked me this very interesting question about the remedy for dark underarms. It's very interesting, but the answer is actually acids. You can use acids for your underarms. Please, I beg you, do not go about applying this on your genital region because it is absolutely dangerous. It is going to hurt you in ways that you can't even imagine. So don't take it anywhere near your inner thighs or anything like that. This is only for your underarms or anywhere you want. It also helps control body odor in general. So if you are somebody who has body odor and has to constantly reach out to reuse deodorants throughout the day, using acids to control body odor would give you a fantastic result. And this is proven by a lot of people, lot of users, and this is something that bloggers found out and users across the world found out. And thereafter brands came out with products to say acids for body odor, acids for body odor, but actually it was found out by bloggers. I'm going to link out those write-ups as well, so you can use that to control body odor, and that way considering the so this is not going to control your perspiration. Do not worry about sweating. Sweating is good for you. Sweating regulates our body temperature. It also eliminates toxins. Do not be scared about sweating. Sweating is very, very good for us. Not sweating is actually a problem. Okay, that is a bigger problem. Body odor, I know, can be an issue, so you can use acids to control. And once you have continued to use acids on your armpits or say around your back, it also helps control back acne on your shoulders or stuff like that. So that is a great way. Shirisha, I so wish, but I think Shell is not too sure about. I hope things work out. Merlin Sendil, will tying hair increase hair fall? If you are going to be tying your hair too tight, and if it's going to be crinkled and unnecessarily tightly wound, yes, because it is in a lot of tension. Potato, give up. People are asking for you. Come here, potato, come here. I don't think she's interested. Which acid should I introduce on dry normal skin? See, Gayatri, it is not mandatory to use acids, but they are a great way of controlling sebum and reducing fine lines, controlling aging, controlling hyperpigmentation, controlling sunspots. And in people who have a proclivity for melasma, acids can help keep the melasma at bay as well, as long as you use sunscreen. The basic rule of skincare is sunscreen. Okay. So for lip pigmentation, I truly suggest that you try the Kumkumadi Thailam and use it all around your lips, all around your mouth. It also helps hydrate, and you can also use a Hyal Ruyut line around your mouth, not on, okay, around, so that it hydrates and moisturizes. Anisha Rao, so you can use the Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. The Dr. Curacle Blue one is great because it will instantly give you a couple of drops, and that is something that you can just splash onto your underarms directly as you would. Imagine you were splashing some powder, right? Is there splashing powder? You remember when we were children, we used to be having kutikura powder dabbas and we'll be doing this like that. So I would probably be saying that just splash a couple of drops onto either underarm, and it will help your pigmentation. It will help prevent ingrown hairs. For those of you who have issues with what you call as strawberry legs, strawberry skin, ingrown hair, this will help. This will help a lot. Okay, so that is the same. Charitra, for open pores and scars, I need to understand what you mean by pore. I want to understand what you mean by scars, because some people are saying acne pits are pores, scars as hyperpigmentation. They're just, some people tend to use the wrong terminology for the something. So I just want to make sure that I understand what you're saying. Deepu, where are you based? Please send me DM. Kirtana Parimala, what acids for dark underarms? BHA and AHA. You can start with the Dr. Curacle Blue one or the Cosrx BHA Blackhead Power Liquid. It controls your body odor. It also makes sure that your this darkening doesn't happen. So please, you can have that. Also, in case you shave your underarms, you can actually use this probably the night before on your underarms, so that you can shave it, and it will also prevent ingrown hair. How do I have that Ulaganayagan glow on your nose and cheekbones without a highlighter? ஓகே, அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியாதுமா. நான் வந்து ஐ லவ் ஸ்கின் ஸ்கின் கேர் வந்து வாங்கி யூஸ் பண்ணி க்யூரேட் பண்ணி விற்கிறேன்ல. ஸோ மரகதவள்ளி அலியாஸ் மேகி, அதுதான் ரீசன். ஸோ Sonisha, please DM. Hi Chinmay Garu, what's your take on collagen in our daily diet? Please suggest some vegan collagen powder. I'm a vegetarian. Now, there is no such thing as a vegan collagen powder so far, as much as I have seen it. So your sources for collagen is going to be bone marrow and things like that. Okay, so you need to make sure that I'm yet to come across a vegan collagen powder. So if I find out, I will definitely update. Hey, doctor girl, D girl monk. That is very strange. Okay, Shravan, your suggestions for dark circles is that, see, there are 3 or 4 reasons that you can have dark circles. One is because you actually have fat loss here, and therefore because of that it feels as if there is like a dent here, and then the shadow on the shadow here is basically the shadow because of the light as such that your eye is putting here. See, for example, if my eye is like this, it's fine, but if I so imagine this shadow here that's coming because of my eyebrow and my eye, right? So this is the dark shadow that a lot of people might be having simply because of their bone structure. You can actually speak to your dermatologist to see what sort of fillers that you can have to make sure that that doesn't happen, so that it looks a little more filled up, right? They're safe to use if you go and get it done with the right dermatologist. The second thing is that it could be pigmented because of medication, or you have been rubbing your eyes too much, or you have probably hurt your eye, or the skin around this place especially is very 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 sensitive. So you be very careful when you're applying skincare creams and stuff like that. So if it is pigmented, the Kumkumadi Thailam and the snail cream as a combination, or the Kumkumadi Thailam or the Dr. Curacle Propolis cream, the Propolis ampule also can help your pigmented dark circles. The other is vascular dark circles, which is basically the veins that are here. The purple color from your veins is actually coming through, showing through your skin, and it's therefore making it appear as if you have dark circles while it's actually the veins underneath your skin. So all of this you can, especially if it is structural and pigmented, you can definitely speak to your dermatologist. Some people might have a combination of both. It can be a pigmented and vascular, pigmented and structural, etc, etc. So in which case, if it is structural and vascular, I would suggest that you go and speak to your dermatologist. My current skincare routine, yes, Ramya, you can even use this shampoo every day, especially if you're working out. If you're somebody who sweats a lot, you can do this every day also. When can we buy the hair products? Right now is also possible. It is available on the I Love Skin website. Oh, pen wielding physician, interesting. Let me go and check. Please suggest some oil products for pimples and acne. Yes, it's coming soon. Priya, of course you're not bugging me. You can use it in combination. This is something, if you want to try this first, you can go and try this. If you want to try this first, you can try this too. If you want to use it in combination, great, please go ahead and do it. Ariveti, oily skin people can use Cosrx hyaluronic acid intensive cream. So basically the products that have a lot of hyaluronic acid in our I Love Skin website is the Hydrium line from Cosrx hyaluronic acid, and also the Dr. Curacle Hyal Reyouth line, which contains hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. It also contains brightening agents for your skin. So this is see, basically our skin is a balance of both oil and water, and when this goes a little off is when your skin is basically overproducing oil, or it becomes really dry and dehydrated. So if you're oily skin, make sure that you moisturize your skin. Your other options for making sure that you can moisturize your skin without looking shiny or oily or sticky is the Dr. Curacle C-Caregen cream, or the Cosrx oil free moisturizing lotion. Manisha, that is strange. Yeah, you can, but the nutrition cream is very, very good for you actually. The skincare for dark neck. So I have a lot of people asking me this question. So there are reasons that you could have a dark neck. One is you have had you're on medication, you have thyroid imbalances, hormonal imbalances, or you could be allergic to jewelry around your neck, or there is constant friction either due to really tight necklines or something like that. That could be a reason. But the most common reason could be, hormonal imbalance or a medication, because of which some people may have suddenly gained some weight, which creates some folds, therefore it creates some darkness. So if it is none of this, and if you have just gone around and sun damaged your neck, it is easy to work on it. During the daytime, please apply Nalpamradi Thailam onto your neck and soak for about 15-20 minutes if you can. You can also use it as an all over body massage oil. Do it in the daytime, wash it off, and then make sure that you apply sunscreen. The Kumkumadi Thailam also helps. The Cosrx AHA Whitehead Power Liquid also helps. But when you use acids, if you do not use sunscreen, it's going to make it worse. Okay, so to recap, I think some people have asked me this question. Your best product for overnight use for oily skin, you can use the Cosrx Hyal Youth Night Cream, you can use the hyaluronic acid from Cosrx, you can use the Cica-Regen Cream, you can use the Cosrx Rice Overnight Spa Mask. Yeah. Where did this go? Okay. So postcards from the world, what are the good options available for cleansing oils for double cleansing? You have the Dr. Curacle Pro Balance Cleansing Oil and the Dr. Curacle 5 Alpha Control Melting Gel for your first cleanse. Keertana, I'm going to ask you to DM me. Maragadavalli Maggie, yes. Our curry leaf powder is coming soon. That will be our next launch, hopefully, and we are preparing it in a proper facility and making sure it is shade dried and not sun dried. So all of that we have taken some time. Also, the lockdown didn't help. So curry leaf powder instant is coming in, not just for people in India but for people across the world. Pratishtha, Kumkumadi Thailam will help. Anyway, to quickly recap before I scoot, this is the Scalp DX Thickening Tonic from Dr. Curacle. We are launching it today. This is for hair loss care. This cools the scalp and it also makes sure that it controls hair fall, and it is great for your overall scalp health. So basically, it contains these exits in the what shall I call it, the tube, so through which the product is dispensed. So you will apply, massage, and you can do this all over your hair, and this is not something that will leave your hair sticky. It will not make your scalp stick, your hair stick to your scalp, and you can use this especially in summer or even in winter. Summer, because it will help keep your scalp cool. After about immediately after using this will help keep your scalp cool for about 20-30 minutes, and especially if you're somebody who uses a helmet, this might be a great product to use before you wear your helmet. Seriously, I mean it. And this is something that, and after this you can not immediately, of course, this is something that you can use either on a daily basis or twice or thrice a week. This is a shampoo, conditioner and a hair mask in one. You can apply this, leave it on to your scalp for 3 to 5 minutes and then wash off. It helps reduce dandruff, it helps reduce scaly itchy feeling on your scalp. It helps control hair fall. It also scales, basically when I say it's a scaling shampoo, so basically it keeps your scalp healthy. So this is really good for you. And if you have, it does not contain products that will irritate your skin or your body skin also by giving you like sulfates and phthalates and stuff like that. It's really safe to use. And Pooja, interesting. Please give me a DM. This is something we use during the day for bringing instant glow for oily skin. I want to understand what you mean by glow. And it's V for pimple care. Please DM me. I just want to understand what you mean by pimples. So quickly, this is what we have launched today. This is the Scalp DX Thickening Tonic. This is the Scalp DX Scaling Shampoo. This is 500 ml. This comes in a very handy pump. So this will easily last you about 3-4 months. I've been using it for a while and I still am not anywhere close to using this much. So, and I wash my hair pretty often. So this is one thing that I do want to let you guys know is that after you have soaked your scalp with the shampoo, please make sure that you keep your eyes closed, because the menthol in this might give you a little bit of irritation or something for your eyes. So just wash off your hair while keeping your eyes closed, and then make sure that you have washed off around your eyes as well. And even if this product gets into your eyes, it's not going to affect your eyesight or anything like that. Just wash your eyes properly, because I tend to wash my hair keeping my eyes open. So the couple of times that I had the menthol in my eyes, it's just like having a really cool thing sprayed into your eyes. So it will leave after a while. So that is more or less what I am talking about. So icing, please DM icing.cakes, please DM. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so glad that I was able to speak to all of you guys. Thank you for your time. Do check out www.iofskin.com. On our hair care range, we now have a shampoo, we have a thickening tonic, we also have the neem comb, and I truly hope you like it. We have some exciting launches coming up for hair care as well, and I truly hope that I will get your support for us and our very small Chotu company and our team. We are working very hard, so I hope you really like us, and I truly hope that all our products make you happy, they leave you feeling good about yourself, and that your skin, I truly wish you all great skin, great hair, great health, all the prosperity, all the joy, everything that you want, whatever your heart wishes, may you get it, and may you all live in abundance, may you all live in all the joy, all the happiness, and all the love in the world. I wish that from the bottom of my heart for you. God bless you. May you be healthy, happy, and with a lot of immunity. God bless you, and may you be happy. Bye bye.